Well, holy shit. Navajo Tahoe makes her return. Although her front end is definitely looking sad, but we'll fix that. More on that later. She's finally back home. Filthy. Her front brake is apparently locking up on her. She lost her decals, unfortunately. Long story on that with sun damage. I got battled off a few other gremlins. But she's finally home. This is just a little quick video because I'm doing a full long one later on, but big old key ring. I know I shouldn't do this, but whatever. She has not changed at all since the last time I drove her. Well, correction, she hasn't changed at all for me since the last time I drove her. But she has changed a lot under the hood. Hell fucking yeah. Show you how much she's changed. Except bad boy right here. Let's fire her up. A lot meaner. New headers, paint job, coil plugs. Forming up right now. She still has to get a few more bugs out of her, but the rattling you hear is from her stock exhaust system, which is still on board. She's had pumping a lot of power through here. Nothing bad on that one. She is filthy though. She needs a good cleaning. More on that. I'm just so glad to have her home. Feel the intake sucking in all that nice cool air. For some reason she had a traction alarm going off. Sorry, the goal track, whatever the thing is called. She is just running amazing. Oh yeah, the green belt for the AC still worked. I had to replace the battery the minute I got her back home, even though she had a new battery already in her. She sat for so dang long. I'm going to diagnose a blown fuse. Because unfortunately, one of the marker lights is not activating. I wonder. Nah, I couldn't get that lucky. It was worth a shot. Yeah, it's a little messy in there. Work on that. But yeah, I just wanted to show that she's not dead. Plenty of life left in her. The stability system disabled. I have no idea why. We're going to replace her old dash cam with a newer one. But yeah. Oh yeah, and the seats are folded down because Revy had her grooming today. So good to have her home. Turn her off for a minute. There are still a few gremlins, which I'm going to take care of, as I mentioned. We also have some new stuff to get to, but also, unfortunately, if you notice, her gappage is way off over here. Found out that her tailgate has unfortunately decided to give up the ghost. It's not tailgate, rear trunk glass, to where it is separating. So you can make it do it. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it can. But yeah, you notice right there that's cracking up. The metal is separating from the glass. So Yeah, nailed in the face with the sunlight. So, oh yeah, now you can see it. So, ain't gonna last. So, junkyard was a good visit today. I also picked up her freshly painted new front bumper. Unfortunately, they also smashed it on something on the way out. Yeah, that's something new, I think. Yeah, it's new. But also on this one too, the lower valence. That's a Z71 front end. But we're gonna be doing the back glass here. This one's pretty easy to do. One clip, two clip. I'm actually really impressed how easily that just popped off. Let's see, do I have my dental picks out? There's all the other new stuff which I haven't used yet, including these brand new shocks, which will be coming later. Oh, I need this later. Alright, I don't know where my dental pick is. Charger letters. Ah. Okay, fine, we'll do it that way. I definitely have to go through this one of these days and organize the shit out of it. Oh well. Later. But yeah, Navajo the Tahoe came home. I'm gonna go replace this glass because it's well, it's. I'm just gonna show you guys. Screw it, why not? It's it was a nice day. Now it's getting cold out. That'll work. So I popped them off originally to the junkyard. Let's see if I can. Okay, that ain't gonna work. Holy shit, what the hell's that? It's a big old beetle. Let's see. So we got two little C-clips here. Come on, you. Where's the pain in the butt? I would recommend using a dental pick, but can't find mine. Okay, screw it. I'm gonna do this off camera. But yeah, it's one clip here, and the two shocks, and you're good to go. And these two little defrosting wires. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, new one's in, old one's out. Let's see. Nice and flush. It's not exactly the way I want it, but it's much better. Now it's flush, unlike this guy here, which you can now see if it's been better from the back end, how it's just separated right there. I did want to do the front clip today, but the wife's going to need a ride soon. That's going to be another day. But in the meantime, though, let's see. I grabbed all these bolts already. That one. Let's see. So, one there. One there. And there should be like two. One here. Damn it. Apologies for my fingers there. There. One here. And one here. That goes straight through. Let's go with the bracket. And one there. Go down. Alright, there we go. We have to go into the Tahoe soon, followed by I've been waiting on forever. The final bracket, the push bar. It's been too long. I should really dump this thing out too. Yeah. Finally got the push bar here. Brackets should be somewhere in the shed. I definitely have them all still. That's where we're at though. Navajo Tahoe. Got some upgrades. Shame she lost her Nassau County patch here. I'll have to replace that later. This one I'll probably shatter in a little bit. It has a core value. Yeah, she was definitely tired. Make sure she pops open now. Flex in there. Very nice. Should probably put some glue on this, because that I can take care of some crazy glue. Nice. It's cleaner. It actually has less scratches than actually glue. Whatever some of the old tinting this thing had. Ugh, it's always bothered me. So this worked out pretty well. Wow, it's like fully bent off. How the fuck? Yo, that ain't right. Shows how bad that is. But yeah, for the meantime, Navajo Tahoe gets to sit. Probably soft some old stuff here. Some of the new stuff I'll keep for, of course, the shocks, definitely. She is due. You have to hunt down a new exhaust for it too. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one.